Today, we're going to demonstrate how to install the narrow beam lens in the HLS High Bay fixture. We'll start by removing the protective plastic on the narrow beam lens. From here, we'll remove the screw on the end cover so that the cover can be removed from the fixture's housing. Next, slide the original diffusers out of the channel and replace them with the narrow beam lens. Before sliding them in, make sure the textured side is facing up. Now, we can reattach the end cover to the fixture's housing and secure it in place with the screw we removed before. That's it. The HLS High Bay fixture is now equipped with the narrow beam lens.